Hi, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste shortcut key and keyboard using computer or laptop. So, I'm going to create a folder as an example. I'm going to create a document and copy and paste it. Press Ctrl and C in your keyboard to copy. Press Ctrl and V in your keyboard to paste. I'm going to show you another example. Highlight the word you want to copy. Press Ctrl and C in your keyboard to copy. Press the location you want to paste it. Press Ctrl and V in your keyboard to paste. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos.